Coming up next, we're making a whiskey sour. This drink offers a sweet, sour, and balanced flavor. Simple yet far from dull. But before we get into building this thing, I gotta welcome my new viewers and my OGs since day one. I really appreciate y'all. So welcome again to Jazz Bar, where the music is smooth and the drinks are said to be even smoother. So yeah, let's dive straight into it. You'll need 2 ounces of bourbon or whiskey, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, and optional egg whites for that smooth, creamy texture. Today, we're mixing up a classic for a reason, the whiskey sour. So quick history lesson time. It actually started off at sea. Sailors mixed citrus with spirits to prevent scurvy. So yes, this cocktail began as medicine. Happy hour came later. By the 1860s, it landed in American saloons and was written down in 1862 by Jerry Thomas. The original, trust me man, it tastes good. Just shake it. So if you're using egg whites, always dry shake first, no ice. It builds that silky foam without watering the drink down. Add ice, shake again until the shaker frosts over, or at least your arms feel like you're exercising. Then you strain, add a lemon peel, express the oils, and that is a proper whiskey sour. All good things come to an end just to make room for better ones. So before I go, here's a quick favor that really helps the channel. If you're enjoying this type of content, hit that subscribe button for more cocktails, mocktails, tips, and good times. Until next time, keep it safe, keep it smooth, and keep shaking. Cheers, y'all.